Radeon RX 6800 XT is one of the most powerful graphics cards that AMD has ever made. Its raw performance inspired our engineers to build a cooling system that could unleash its full potential. For the ROG Strix LC Radeon RX 6800 XT, that inspiration led us to use liquid cooling. We built this graphics card from the ground up with a cooling system that's specifically tailored to cover all the card's hottest components. A large cold plate chills both the GPU silicon and the GDDR6 memory modules that ring the chip. The heat from those components is transferred directly into the liquid cooling loop rather than into your case. At the other end of the loop, we use a 240mm radiator to strike the perfect balance between high cooling potential and broad compatibility with today's PC cases. We equipped this card with especially long 600mm coolant hoses to allow for more mounting options in your case, even for eATX enclosures with cavernous interiors. Those hoses are sleeved in textile webbing to protect against abrasion and to add an extra touch of class to your system. Two custom 120mm fans, optimized for both high airflow and static pressure, move large amounts of air through the radiator. A quiet blower fan and low-profile heatsink on the graphics card itself keep the power delivery circuitry cool, even under heavy overclocking loads. Our exclusive Fan Connect 2 headers let your system fans respond directly to changes in GPU temperature, improving cooling performance. As we sketched out this version of the RX 6800 XT, we knew we wanted to build a graphics card that was unmistakably ROG, not just in its performance, but also in its appearance. Light from addressable Aura RGB LEDs shines through diagonal slashes in the card's cooling shroud, illuminating distinctive ROG iconography and cybertext accents. An illuminated ROG logo on the edge of the card communicates your allegiance whether you choose horizontal or vertical mounting for your GPU. Finally, the twin radiator fans include addressable Aura RGB LEDs to keep the light show rolling wherever you mount the radiator. Cutting-edge display connectivity includes one HDMI 2.1 port, two DisplayPort 1.4 outputs, and a USB Type-C connector with DisplayPort 1.4 support. Put a big chill on Big Navi with your own ROG Strix LC Radeon RX 6800 XT graphics card.